How to log in to British Council account. Now in order to log in to your British Council account, you just simply need to open any of your browser and then you need to search for British Council login or British Council IELTS sign in page. Then this first link of IELTS registration will appear. Just simply open this page and from here you just simply need to wait for a while for the interface to load, and after the interface loads up you just simply need to enter your email address in this box and tap to check email address. Then it will show a box to enter your password associated with the account. Simply enter your password and then tap to log in button and you will successfully be logged in to your British Council account if you already have an account. This way you can very easily log into British Council account. I hope this video was informative. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.